Hello, I'm Bahar. Today you are here to give yourself some time. The actions we perform automatically without thinking are called habits. Some of them are routines that enhance our quality of life. Others may drain or limit us. Now, if you're ready, let's move into a meditation to observe your habits. Find a comfortable position. Relax your shoulders and jaw. Your eyes can remain slightly open or fully closed. Take a deep breath and exhale slowly. Take another deep breath. And as you exhale, notice your body releasing tension. Focus on the natural flow of your breath. Where in your body do you feel it most easily? Your chest, your abdomen, or your nostrils? Stay there and just observe your breathing. Now, recall an average day. Are there small routines you enjoy in the morning? Washing your face with cool water, sipping a cup of tea or coffee, or perhaps a brief meditation. Now, consider the habits you'd like to let go of, even if they once gave you pleasure. Constantly checking your phone, unnecessary snacking, smoking, alcohol, or too much coffee. As you focus on your breath, allow these habits to appear in your mind. Simply notice them without judgment. Notice how your breaths flow through your body. And naturally leave your body. Observe this natural movement. As you think about the habits you wish to stop, does your breath change? What sensations arise in your body? Tension, resistance, tightness, or maybe relaxation and ease. Whatever it is, simply notice it without judgment. Now, release all of your habits and their effects in your mind. return to observing your breath. Noticing its natural rhythm. Feel your face relax. Feel your shoulders release tension. Every part of your body is at peace right now. With mindful awareness, you have observed your habits. You can now examine them with compassion and clarity. Recall the positive habits as well. A short walk, drinking water regularly, meditating. Notice everything that feels good in your body and mind. Slowly, you may open your eyes. Gently look around and maintain your bodily awareness. Notice your breath flowing naturally, everything continuing in its own rhythm. Today, you have taken time for yourself with awareness and compassion. Seeing your habits is the first step toward transforming them. Remember, we can only change what we become aware of. See you next time.